It's my birthday. It's my birthday. My birthday. It's my birthday. Look at this whole Christmas tree. Hello guys, yeah, I came to Lidl to pick up some few stuff. Okay. Oh, look at toys for kids. These are just frozen veggies. I always prefer to buy frozen veggies. So guys, I just came back. I went out to get something for the house just to pick up few stuff, you know. I don't have milk anymore. I bought my milk, my almond milk. This is what I normally drink, but when I don't have almond milk, I drink normal milk with the rest of the family. Yes, pipi. So I bought some fruit, some fruit. Okay. I'm making popcorn for Nathan. Nathan. In French is Nathan, okay? It's even Nathan in French. So I got paper towel. Mother, stop playing with those things. Please, stop. And cereal. Cereal. This morning my daughter said she wanted this cereal. I forgot that it's finished. So I have to buy another one. First chicken nuggets. Just buy this, put it in the freezer. When I need it, I bring it out and put it in the oven, and we're good to go. Yes, this chicken nuggets. The popcorn, why is it off? It's not done yet. So guys, see what I got. See what I got. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm not even opening it. Let me try and open it. Let's unbox it together. Let's do an unboxing. Sorry about the noise from the microphone, okay? Wow, look at the cover, it's so cute. Yes. Wow, my son is shouting wow. You know, this thing is to put a bonbon inside, like sweet now. Put sweet inside. It's so cute, guys. Just take a look. This is super cute. Take a look at it. It's super cute. Yeah, let's put sweets inside. Yes, baby. You like it? Oh, well, my son likes it. Bete? Bete or? Bam bam. So this is from Action, okay? In case anyone is wondering, it's from Action. Action, they got amazing stuff and affordable, you know. This is for my son though, but I don't want him to see it because I'm going to be wrapping this. This is one of his Christmas presents. No, it's not for you, Papi. No, I don't want him to know what it is. You eat your popcorn, okay? Oh my God, what is wrong with this sometimes? The corn has not even popped and it's already burning. What? It's already burning and oh my God, that's just... Let me remove these ones because I know you will not like the ones that are almost on stick. You want it here? No. Take with me. It's okay. Oh, I also got this frozen veggies. I like frozen veggies because you can just leave them in the freezer until when you need it. Don't like fresh vegetables just now. If you don't use it on time, it gets spoiled. So I always, and this one, the good part of it is that it's in different sachets. When you want to eat, you just bring out one because I always like eating with veggies, maybe rice because I like rice a lot. So I always like adding veggies to my rice. You just bring out one sachet. It's containing carrots and broccoli. Pop it inside the microwave and you're good to go. What? Okay. Yeah, I bought this one. This is just to cover your food on fire to avoid splashing. I have it before, just that one is black now. It's not really nice. You know, sometimes when you're filming recipes, you need clean stuff. You need clean stuff, not stuff that. So I got this. More frozen veggies. This is a mixed veggies. I'm putting this in the, normally I put this in the fridge, not in the freezer. My fridge is rough, but I'll clean it one of these days though, but not today. Today I'm going to be decorating. Christmas decoration. I'm just waiting for my daughter to come back from school because we want us to do it together. So guys, this is almond. I think that's it. Okay, I also buy yogurt, but it's my son already. No, you drank one already. You cannot drink two now. You drank one already. Yes, Amani will drink one when she comes back. Be careful. Be careful. guys, I bought this. Look at it. Yeah, I just like it. I thought it was cute. So I bought it. You know what? December, I don't really plan for Christmas when it's December. There are a lot of things I plan for. My birthday and also my daughter's birthday. My daughter's birthday is in January. At least I'll be using this for her birthday, because as for mine, I'm not celebrating. I'm not doing anything. So that's it. So I bought this tablecloth. Yeah, I showed you guys this already in my other vlog, I think. So I'm just going to be decorating it with this one. I want the house to be Christmassy. Oh my god. I've not really had anything, as in anything like food this today. I had breakfast though, but it was just cereal. So I bought this for my daughter. Look at this. So Christmassy. I just like the color. I'm going to be putting it in the little pillow in the sitting room. So I'm going to use this bottle to decorate it. And my friend gave this to me. I wanted to buy balls, but most of the shops I went to, no, it was only in Ashton. I went to Ashton. Their balls are just glass. And last year I bought glass. The thing was just falling and breaking up and down. So I don't want glass anymore. So I wanted to buy another one. I was talking to my friend yesterday. She told me that she have this one. She don't need it. So I went to pick this from her today. So thank you, Joy. You're a darling. So thank you so much. Thank you. Meanwhile, she bought this for about €6. I don't know. I cannot see the price again. You look, €6. This was super expensive for that price. But it's a lot though. It's a lot. So it's a lot. So guys, remember this table? Do you remember this table? Remember it for my previous Vlogmas? Yeah, I went to take it, even though I don't have where to put it, but I've been thinking of this table since that day, since the day that I made that video. So I just went back to take it. I don't know, our house is not big, but I just keep buying stuff. I guess my hubby will be tired of me already. Wow, this is super cute. I don't know how they do it. Okay, so it's like this. Ah, okay, I got it. So it's like this. Oh my gosh, let me put it here. Look at it, guys. It's just so cute. Wow, it's super cute. You can design it with your flower. Let me try it. Okay, you can just design it with your flowers. So cute. I normally buy a bunch of different nuts and just mix them up in here, but today I only bought this. Maybe next time I buy another one. So this one, you can eat it like that. You can add it to your Quaker Oat and just snack on it. I have to snack on it sometimes when it's washing food. So guys, how are you all doing? So tomorrow is my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. My birthday. It's my birthday. My birthday. My birthday. Today is actually my big sister's birthday, yeah? My elder sister, she's 4th, while I'm 5th. I'm hungry. But I'll soon go and pick my daughter from school, but I just want us to come first so that we can eat together. but I'm hungry. I've not had lunch, and it's past it's about 4 o'clock now, 4 p.m. So we will see you guys tomorrow. So bye for now. Thank you for watching. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Oh my god. So see you guys on tomorrow's vlog. Bye bye. See you guys. Ciao ciao.